Hey guys, wanted to put together a quick behind the scenes video of how we set up our LiveU studio this week for the LiveU Sports Show. So I've migrated back north. I'm now in Barnstable, Massachusetts, and I have taken my grandmother's study, and once again, I've converted this entire room into a studio. In the top left-hand corner here, off the light on top of a selfie stick, I actually have LiveU Smart for a high wide shot. I have Nana's chair for her confidence monitoring. I've got my camera. Once again, my iPad with video return, my laptop with LiveU Central. I have an LU600 now, that's connected up with IFB. I've got my very, very hot halogen lamps so that I'm roasting the entire time that I'm here. And now I've also got all sorts of fun audio stuff. So I've got a IFB box that allows me to hear exactly what's going on. That's connected up to the LU600. I also have an earpiece with an audio clarifier so that I can tuck that away. I'm using a Sony lavalier microphone this time so that the audio quality should be much better for this show. Like any good set, I've got a new friend. So this is a nearly 5 foot tall wooden nutcracker, handmade in Germany, flown back by my grandfather on an L1011 many, many years ago. So he makes sure to keep all of us company here at down here in Barnstable, Massachusetts. Just a quick little video here of behind the scenes this week on the LiveU Sports Show. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.